This video, we will show you how to get free trial on YouTube TV. To get free trial on YouTube TV, you need to open tv.youtube.com, or you can get this URL below description. And the second, for now, actually YouTube TV it's only available on United States region. So if you are outside the United States, you cannot get the YouTube TV for free. To get started, you can just click try it for free. Click this button and log in using your account. I will pause this video. Now you need to input your location, plan, and customize for the channel. First, input your zip code in here. Now you can click start free trial. And this is the channel you have on your location: CBS, Fox 30, PBS, ESPN, and etc. You can just click next. You can also get the trial like HBO Max, NBA League, Sport Plus, and etc. But you can just click next checkout. So it's trial. You also need to add your credit or debit card or add PayPal in here, and you can click start trial. Then you will have the YouTube TV on free trial, and you can stop the subscription before the trial ends. And that's all. Hope this tutorial helped for you. Thanks for watching.